In this video, we will walk you through how to create a Timetics AI account, sign in, and upgrade to the Pro plan. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to app.timeticsai/signup. You can create an account using either your email address and password or your Google account for a faster sign-up experience. Once you have completed the registration process, you will be automatically signed into the free plan, allowing you to start exploring Timetics AI right away. If you would like to unlock advanced features and additional capabilities, you can upgrade to the Pro plan at any time. To do this, navigate to Settings, then select Subscriptions. Next, click Upgrade to Pro. A subscription window will appear, where you can review the available plans and choose the option that best fits your business requirements. Once your payment has been successfully processed, your account will be automatically upgraded to the Pro plan, giving you access to all premium features. That's it. You are now ready to get the most out of Timetics AI.